What is the history behind FMLA's 1250-hour rule? Imagine working hard all year, but only being eligible for family or medical leave if you've logged enough hours. That's what the 1250-hour rule is all about. This rule is a key part of the Family and Medical Leave Act, which was signed into law in 1993. It sets a clear standard for who can take unpaid, job-protected leave for family or health reasons. The rule says you need to have worked at least 1250 hours in the past 12 months before you can qualify for FMLA protections. The story behind this rule starts way back in the 1980s. Congress kept proposing family leave laws, but they kept changing the rules. They wanted to find a balance between protecting workers and making sure employers could handle the leave. The 1250-hour threshold was a compromise. It's roughly equal to working about 25 hours a week for a year. This means part-time workers who work fewer hours might not qualify, but those with a steady schedule usually do. The hours counted are based on what the Fair Labor Standards Act defines as hours worked. That includes time when you are required to be on duty at your workplace. It counts regular work hours but excludes paid time off, holidays, or breaks. So, if you are on paid leave or taking breaks, those hours don't count toward the 1250. This rule was created to give a clear, measurable standard for eligibility. It helps both employees and employers know who qualifies for FMLA leave. But some critics say it leaves out seasonal or part-time workers who might need leave but don't meet the hours requirement. Employers need to keep track of hours worked over the past year to see if employees meet the 1250-hour threshold. To be eligible for FMLA leave, employees also need to work for a company with at least 50 employees within a 75-mile radius and have worked for at least 12 months. The 1250-hour rule is part of a larger effort to make family leave fair and manageable. It was a legislative decision made to strike a balance between protecting workers' rights and keeping business operations smooth. This rule remains a fundamental part of FMLA eligibility today, guiding who can access leave benefits and ensuring clarity for everyone involved.